for this skirt is actually very simple. As you can see, I have 2 pieces of this fabric here. That's because my fabric is not vertical, it is horizontal. Okay, but I want the pattern to be vertical, just straight. That's why I had to cut 2 pieces of this. Let's start with the width first. The width of this fabric right here is 60 inches. Okay, I have 60 inches here and I have 60 inches there for the width, so together makes it 120 inches. That's how full I want my skirt to be. Okay, so I divided it into 2 because I want it to be vertical and I want my pockets on the side. Now if you don't want any pockets on the side for yours, you don't have to split it into 2. Okay, but because I want pockets for mine, that's why I splitted mine into 2. So what I have here is 60 inches for the width of this fabric right here, the 2 of them. Let me make this more stable so you can see. Yeah, so I'm going to take out this other one so it's not too confusing. Yeah, so this is what I have here. Yeah, this is what I have here. So because my fabric is placed on fold, I'm just going to take the measurement again. So what I have right there is 30 inches on fold. So by the time you open your fabric, you're going to have 60 inches for the width of the front piece. So for the length of the skirt, I'll be using a total of 42 inches minus my band. So 42 inches, which includes the hemming allowance on the bottom, which is ½ inch, and then the hemming allowance on the waistline, which is ½ inch as well. And my band is 1 inch. And remember, we have 2 pieces of this skirt. So I did the same thing for the front piece and the back piece as well. And now we're going to move to the pockets. Now to determine the pocket placements, on the side, I'm going to come down by 2½ inches, as you can see. I'm going to do that on both sides, and then I'm going to give it a notch. This is where our pocket is going to start from. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well. So I'll get my pockets right here. And I'm going to fix my pocket. So I'm going to take one of this. So I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to pin it right here, my pocket, and I'm going to sew my pocket, okay, here. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to put the same thing on this side. I'll do this for both the front and the back piece. So in case you're wondering how I cut the pockets, it's very simple. Just get your fabric and fold it into 4 pieces. As you can see, I have it folded right there into 4 pieces, and then I'm just going to place my palm right on the fabric and just trace it down just the way I'm doing it, and then I'm going to cut it out. It's that simple. I've cut it out and this is what it looks like. Okay, just cut it out, and as you can see here, I have 4 pieces. So I have 4 pieces of this pocket. The next thing I did was to cut out my band. So now to determine the width of your band, all you have to do is to get your round hip measurement. As you can see, my band is on fold, okay, and on fold right there is 22 inches. I have a round hip of 44 inches, and on fold it will give us 22 inches, and I added ½ inch extra for the seam allowance. This 2 is 44 inches and the extra ½ inch is for the joining allowance, your seam allowance, because we're going to be closing it up. And then the length of the band, as you can see here, is 3 inches. Now that's because I want my band to be, when it's folded, I want it to be 1 inch, because I want to use 1 inch for the band, and the extra half inch is going to be for the sewing allowance. So that's what I have for the band. You can go ahead and make your band longer if you want, but this is what I want for my band, so I cut it out already. So after I'm done with the band and the pocket, I'm just going to go ahead and attach my pockets to my skirts. Just pay close attention to how I do this. As you can see, I'm done with that. I already did that here, the pockets, and I did it for this other side as well. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to get the second fabric, because I did the same thing on the second fabric, and I'm going to place it right sides facing, just like this. I just hope I capture everything. Okay, just like this, and I'm going to cover this just like this. Okay, so I'm going to sew it round, and I'm going to close the side since I've added my pocket. So I'm going to sew this side just like this, and I'm going to close all the sides. I'm going to do this all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to do this on this other side as well. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see, I've done that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to gather this top. Okay, I'm going to gather it to my round hip. I have a round hip of 44, so just to be sure that the gather is accurate, I'm going to gather the front each piece. So the front, I'm going to gather this 22, and the back, I'm going to gather this place 22 as well. So 22, 22, I'm going to gather this part. Okay, you can see it's gathered already. Yeah, so it's gathered on here already. So I'm just going to attach my band. I'm just going to attach my band right here. Okay. So to attach your band perfectly on your skirt, it is advisable to start from the wrong side of the fabric. Okay, just place your band on the wrong side of the fabric. So you stitch it down, and then you turn it over to the right side of the fabric. That helps you achieve a very clean stitch on your band. Okay, so here I'm going to hold this part with my ½ inch seam allowance on here, and then I'm going to stitch all these holes around here. So as you can see, I finished stitching it here. After stitching it here, I flipped it over to the other side and I pinned it. So I'm just going to stitch it, and then I'll leave about 1 inch open to pass my band through it. So I'm just going to do that now. Now, to get the measurements for your elastic band, all you have to do is to get your accurate round waist measurement. In my case, my round waist measurement is 31 inches and I'm going to minus 3 inches. You can minus between 2 inches to 3 inches from your original round waist measurement. So I have about 28 inches left. So when you minus 3 inches from 31 inches, I have 28 inches left. And that I will insert into my waistband. I'm going to cut this here. And I'm going to add this into the band. I'm going to give my elastic band a stitch and close up my band, and as you can see, I already hemmed the bottom of my skirt. And that brings us to the end of this video, soulmates. If you enjoyed watching this video, or if you learned 1 or 2 things, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and then turn on your post notification for when I put out a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.